Already got the Twins Owl under sink waterproof mat. Put one under your kitchen sink or your bathroom sink, and actually there's all kinds of different uses I can think of for something like this. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. It came packaged in this box. It was folded into fours inside of a plastic bag and inside of here. With this you also get a really nice gray microfiber cloth that is very absorbent. Picks that stuff up right away. How quick that was. So this measures 34 inches long inside the seams here and 21 inches this way. Now this is very flexible. It says it'll hold 4 gallons of water inside of here in case you get a leak under your sink, but I really don't see it holding that much water, but it will be good for smaller leaks. I'm sure. I'm thinking if it gets 4 gallons of water in there, you got problems, and this is probably going to push over the side because it is flexible. Great thing for this too, since it's flexible, when I go to put it underneath of this sink right here, I'm going to have to fold the bag up a little bit in order to fit it in there. My sink's maybe 19 inches deep and this is 21 inches, so I'm going to have to fold it up, and it works perfect though because the lip gets in. There's just so many different things you can use this for. I worked in a guitar shop. I could use this to work on guitars with. I could use this to solder on because it's silicone. If you drop solder on here, the silicone generally protects everything that's underneath of there, and you know, even getting burned with a soldering iron. Let's take a look at a couple of different scenarios. Throw this under the sink. Here we go. I've got it underneath my sink. It is exactly the right length on there, but obviously I had to flip this up a little bit in the back because my sink isn't quite as wide as the mat itself. All right, here we go. This would be a great mat for if you've got a mud room or a foyer and you're coming in from out shoveling snow. Great mat to put your wet shoes on. This would be great to put your umbrellas and your wet stuff in there in the back of a car, like a hatchback. You got big dogs that would knock the water bowl over every once in a while. Obviously, you keep the water contained inside of that mat, and any food that falls out will be on that mat, so it's great for pets too. Got my towels on there, cleaning supplies, all my bathroom stuff. So if you're looking for a nice silicone under counter, under sink mat, whether it's for your bathroom or for your kitchen, comes in 2 different colors, brown and gray. It's flexible, waterproof, comes with a nice microfiber cloth that soaks up water really well, and all kinds of different uses you can have for something like this around the house. Check out this one, my Twins Out, check it out.